Mike pulled out the old transmission and we got it right here on the bench. That little guy right there was inside the transmission floating around.
So it's in neutral, right?
Yeah.
There's first. Back to neutral. Second.
Go back to neutral again. That's neutral. We're both going different ways. Okay.
Yep. Second. You gotta turn it or it won't go.
Yeah, because the...
There. 3. Come on.
Here.
4, 3, 4. 5. Nope, that's 6.
Okay. So this thing's a 6-speed. It's like a baby G6.
And there's a 6.
Or G56. Is that what I got? G56?
G56.
You'll notice that while he's changing the gears, you have to be moving this transmission to change gears.
Because it's a constant.
Because these big teeth right here, they have to line up with this gear. Watch. You see how it slips in right there? If you turn it a little bit, let's see, a little bit more. Hang on. Right there, it won't slip in.
Yep.
So this slips into there. It's got to be grooved up. So the teeth have got to line up. We got the frame starting to go back together.
Motor assembly.
Motor assembly?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my kind of... Oh, look. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. That even comes with a tap. Now we are.
Okay, we're going to get the crank. It's very cold. Just came out of the freezer.
Was it next to the peas?
No, it was next to the steak.
Oh, even better. See? This bike's going to run like a raped ape because it was next to the steak, not the peas.
Custom.
Oh, the custom.
Custom nut.
Custom nut. Recently fabbed, like as recent as yesterday.
The reason that nut had to be fabbed was because
the other nut didn't fit down inside.
This is the nut that actually goes on here to hold the gears on. And it doesn't fit in the tool. See that? Doesn't fit in the tool. So I took another one, actually purchased nuts, because this is a...
That's nuts, man.
It's a M16 by 1.
M16 by 1?
Yeah, it's a
oddball.
Very oddball. So this guy goes on here. This guy threads on here. So now we can pull. Now we can put this piece on. There.
Oh, and that's where those other pieces come in handy.
There's a pin.
Goes right there. Yeah.
Now you stick this guy. Now, the nut on here. And these guys go right here. Technically, you could run this up against this surface.
You don't want to do that.
That's not very
good.
Kosher.
We like kosher.
And you run the risk of...
Not being kosher.
No, you run the risk of damaging the case.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
And that wouldn't be kosher.
So what this is going to do is this is going to just pull the rod right in.
Look at that crank moving right in there.
We're going to have to get the deep.
Now,
shit, we don't have a deep. This is a 26.
Do I have a deep 26? I think I do. Okay, we retrieved a 26 socket. I don't know if y'all notice, but Mike's got 3 hands. See it? The third one. Uh-oh, FedEx is here. Come on, Jake. Come.
There you go.
Oh. We did, or I should say we. One thing Mike did figure out is this motor does not take a gasket.
That's correct. Between the cases.
So
between the main cases. I suspect that there was that issue with that little...
Sure clip.
Was this little thing right here.
Oh, it was that? I thought there was a clip that was out just a little bit.
Well, there was a little clip that was out on one of these, but I don't think that was causing a... Now this nut goes on here, and this bad boy...
Is that its final spot right there?
Yep.
Is that a 26 also?
No, I don't think so. I think this is smaller. I don't know where it came from, but I suspect...
Probably came from China.
I suspect that was indexed in some of these gears someplace and preventing things from moving properly. Now in theory this thing should just fit real nice and easy over here.
It's just a test fit, I presume.
Yes, this just this stuff smells really good.
That's the
cinnamon.
Tastes good too.
Yeah,
smell it, you guys. Smell. Get in there, get in there. Get in there and get some.
The goop on this side and not on that side.
Okay. Oh, Johnny-san. This is Kawasaki-ban. It puts the goop on the engine. Mister, I got your dog.
You don't need very much either. I don't know if you guys have been on this channel very long, but or talked about the other motorcycles that we've put together. But one thing that I do not like is aluminum skid plates.
Oh, aluminum skid plates. Mike is anti-aluminum skid plate.
They make noise.
They make noise. Oh, and the rattler.
They rattle.
We had the rattler we dealt with. Remember, it took us a long time to fix the rattler. We had the rattler. That was a 620.
That was a 620.
The 620 was a thumper too. It thumped and rattled.
And
thump, rattle, and roll. Mike didn't like that shit.
No, I like the plastic ones.
That way the sharks don't hear you coming.
But what I found today, I actually was on the perusing the YouTubes, and I found a company called Hyde Racing. They're in Minnesota. They make a plastic skid plate. It's the only one I've ever seen.
Wow.
Yeah. And I'm like, it's kind of pricey. Like,
I say we forego it for now until we get it done and see.
I don't think
see how long it's going to stick around.
That was my.
I got to pull the reins back on this guy sometimes. He gets wild and crazy.
Oh man, last night, I went kind of nuts on some stuff.
Oh shit.
All I did was, it wasn't crazy nuts. It was just, I just put a bunch of stuff in my
watch list.
My watch list.
Oh God, I've got pages of my watch list.
And that's just because. So, okay. Now we can put a little bit of this stuff on here, a little bit on here, a little bit more for Santa Claus. And we don't need that one, but okay, now
nice and easy does it.
Yes, that.
I knew it was something.
As far as functionality goes, this thing is...
It's more functional than Dylan Mulvaney?
It's really, yes, it is. Stick that guy there and that guy there. Okay, I'm going to start, I guess I probably should do this one.
Looks like it's going pretty smooth.
Yeah, they're getting there's two dowels, one there and one over here, and they look pretty good.
Yep, it's still free. Okay, looks like we're all sealed down.
And I got all
Looking good.
all the bolts in.
All the bolts are in.
I think there's 11 of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Something goes in from the other side for the shifter here?
5, 6, 7,
Oh, that's this piece here.
9, 10, 11. Correct.
Yeah.
So,
And you'll notice he's not doing them all willy-nilly. There's a pattern to spread the load out. You don't just tighten them like in a row around. You kind of bounce around to lay it out nice and easy and get a good seal.
especially around this crank.
What's that bracket for?
Cable. Some wires.
Mm.
Wires.
You're not going to go back and hit the first one?
Hang on.
Oh, we got a torque wrench. That was a preliminary.
We're freaking professionals here, man.
We're getting ready to do the final.
Newton meters.
Newton meters. Fig Newton meters.
Oh,
Clickety click. Okay. Do we have a movement?
uh-oh. I don't like it. Oh, we do? Does it feel strong or
Feels fine.
does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the seals are, you can feel the seals are tight.
Oh,
but
yeah,
that's
yeah,
a good
yeah.
thing.
Yep.
You want the seals tight. So, but all the other stuff you don't need tight. I'm just getting the residual
Goop.
goop off.
It's good to get your residual goop off, guys.
There's a bunch of it here, and I'm gonna just wipe it off and make it look pro.
Pro. It's gonna be all pro, dude. Pro tapper. Or is it pro trapper? What is that stuff? Pro tapper, right?
Pro tapper. That's for like threading stuff, isn't it?
No. Isn't that like a brand that sells motorcycle junk?
Pro taper.
Yeah, tapper. What did I say?
Tapper.
Oh.
It's taper.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, we got that moving. Oh shit, we got clutch move or transmission
The
moving.
tranny. The Dylan Mulvaney is moving free.
So it's bottom end.
Bottom end, ready to go.
There it is. It's yep. And these look even. Side to side.
That's always a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
The crank turning's a good thing.
Very good. So
Is that what we're calling it?
yeah.